Hello guys, my name is Enes. I work as a data scientist as well as backend developer. I recently discovered Pepecoin. I decided to take a look at it and I really like what I saw. I am not a fan of crypto coins. My last crypto purchase was in 2011 when I got some Bitcoin, and since then I didn't see anything excites me until now. And now again I have this feeling where this project will be huge. That's why I wanted to do my tiny contribution with these tutorials. First of all, as you can see on the screen, I am referring to the Pepecoin, which has its own blockchain, not the token one. Pepecoin's handler is Pep, and profile picture is a lot more cooler than the other ones, I think. There are many Pepe related coins, and all of them except Pepecoin are some sort of tokens, which means you can't mine them, they're easily created. What makes Pepecoin special can be summed up in one sentence. It's a proof of work meme coin with zero rug pull potential and huge active community of Pepe meme lovers. I spent some time in the community and I really liked the vibes. That's when I realized this is a good project and I wanted to contribute my skills. Initially, I planned to create some Pepecoin utility apps for the community, but soon I noticed that some basic development tools were missing. I decided to make solving that my priority. If you're a developer looking to build something using the Pepecoin network, you previously had to go through a manual installation process. Well, not anymore. It has been now automated, and that's what I will be showing you today. For the sake of this tutorial, I created a new Linux virtual machine in GCP. That's why my first step is to install some Linux packages and Python 3.11. If you already have Python installed, you can skip this step. First, let's go here to my unofficial repo and copy this command and paste it into terminal. This will update the system and then install Miniconda with Python 3.11. And once that's done, we need to source to .bashrc file to apply the changes. To confirm everything is set up correctly, we can run python -- version. And it shows Python 3.11 as we wanted. So this means we can continue our Pepecoin node installation. Because we will be using Pepecoin Python package, setup is very simple. At first, let's run pip install Pepecoin. This will install the Pepecoin package, which includes setup and test scripts. And then we will do Pepecoin setup. This will run the automated script I included in the Pepecoin package. You can inspect the contents in Pepecoin package repo, but simply what it does is it prompts you to create RPC user and RPC password, download compile binaries, create pepecoin.conf file, add Pepecoin binaries to path, start Pepecoin daemon, and at last verify the daemon is indeed running. And once the installation is finished, you can run the test script, which tests numerous things about the node status. Let's run Pepecoin test. So because we just installed Pepecoin node, it needs some time syncing. You can see the process here. We will wait and rerun the test script again. And now it looks like syncing is finished and test ran successfully. What this means is we were able to install a Pepecoin node to our machine, connect to the node using Python, which means Pepecoin node is online and reachable. We were able to retrieve blockchain and network information. We were able to retrieve block and hash details such as block count, Genesis blocks hash, and etc. We were able to generate addresses. We generated two addresses for two different accounts called source and destination accounts. We will use them for transfer tests. We also got the balance of the accounts, which are 0 for now. This test also showed that node synchronization check is working, which is also important. And now we can skip to next test phase, testing coin transfer. Let's run Pepecoin transfer test. So this script will use already created source address and destination address in order to send Pepecoin from source address to destination address. At first, it will ask you to send some Pepecoin to source address. Let's do that. So here is our source address. What we need to do is we need to use some external wallet to send at least one Pepecoin to this address. I sent 2 Pepecoins from my ZX account to the source account the script created. Let's rerun the script and check if the coins are received. And here you can see my locally generated source addresses account. It is 2 Pepecoin as I sent from ZX, which means I successfully transferred Pepecoin to my locally generated address. And here you can see that the script started the transfer of 0.1 Pepecoin from source account to destination address. Let's wait 2 minutes to check the balance. Let's copy this. And then let's paste the destination address. It turns out I forgot to source the basharc file after running the setup script. This is why it didn't recognize Pepecoin command line interface command. Let's source the basharc file first. And let's rerun the command to see received amount in the destination address. As you can see, 0.1 Pepecoin arrived to destination address, which finalizes our test. So as a final word, what this all means is now we have a fully working Pepecoin node in our local machine, and you may use this setup to create various applications and utilities which uses Pepecoin blockchain. I already started developing some cool apps such as Pepe or Pepe Lounge, and it will be great to see other developers contribute to the Pepecoin community as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on the moon.